700, exercise number 36. Ready? Writing at 120 words a minute. You are writing 2 words a second. First stop. It is quite clear, therefore, that you must not waste 5 or more of your valuable seconds on turning over a page. First stop. It must be turned without the waste of 1 second. First stop. Our next point was that the writer should develop a light and easy touch, passing very quickly from one outline to the next and from the end of one line to the beginning of the next. First stop. We very often see shorthand writers in the early days of their writing training writing much too heavily. First stop. Every attempt should be made to overcome this, and it is never too soon to begin. First stop. You can find out in the following way whether you yourself are writing too heavily. First stop. When you have written a page of shorthand, turn to the back of the page and see whether any marks of your writing show through the paper. First stop. If they do, you will know that you are not writing lightly enough to get the best results. First stop. The notes of the good shorthand writer can never be seen on the back of the paper. First stop. The third point was that you should have a really good knowledge of the rules of the system and of the special short forms, as you cannot hope to build up a high rate of writing if you do not know the rules of the system. First stop. The short forms, by the way, represent a large part of any matter which you are likely to be called upon to take down in shorthand, and it will be of great value to you if you can write them easily and quickly without trouble. First stop. Read and copy well written shorthand. First stop. In this way, you will form in your mind pictures of the outlines for a great many words. First stop. When matter is read out to you, these pictures will come at once to your mind, and you will be able to put the outlines on to paper without loss of time. First stop. If when taking down there is a doubt in your mind as to what is the right outline for a word, write something which represents the sound of the word. First stop. Afterwards, take steps to find out what the outline should be and write it until you feel certain that you know it and will in future be able to write it quickly. Full stop.